Hello friend, this is Dilip Geography Wala and today I am here with a new topic that is related to Second World War. So dear students, as you know that I am going to start you the Second World War. Second World War. Second World War is very important topic for class 9th and 10th students, and it is also important for the map based questions. So dear students, as you know that Second World War was started in 1939 and it was ended in 1945. Second World War started in 1939 and ended in 1945 after the defeat of Germany and Japan. So dear students, as you know that in Second World War, the whole world was divided into two groups. Number one, Allies, and number two, Axis. So there were a group of Allies powers and second group was Axis powers. So in Allies power, how many countries were involved? So in map of the world you can see in Allies power Soviet Union. Currently the Russia is called Soviet Union in past times. So Soviet Union was the part of Allies power. After that, United States of America, USA, it was also a part of Allies power. Then United Kingdom, UK is also the was also the part of Allies power. So United States of America, UK, Russia, and then France. France was also the part of Allies power. After that, France, UK, Russia, and USA. These were the main country who were the parts of Allies power. And in Axis power, only three countries who were the most important countries for Second World War who was in Axis power. In Axis power, there were a country whose name was Germany. So Germany, Italy, and Japan. These were the three main countries of Axis power in Second World War. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपको मैंने आज अपना टॉपिक स्टार्ट किया. हमने बताया सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वार. सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वार जो कि 1 सितंबर 1939 से स्टार्ट हुआ और 2 सितंबर 1945 को लगभग 6 ईयर्स और 1 डे के बाद ख़त्म हुआ. ये जो वर्ल्ड वार सेकेंड था, इसमें पूरा वर्ल्ड जो था वो दो ग्रुप में डिवाइडेड था. एक अलाइज पावर, एक एक्सिस पावर. अलाइज पावर में सोवियत यूनियन, यूनाइटेड किंगडम, फ्रांस, यूएसए जैसे कंट्रीज़ थे. वहीं एक्सिस पावर में जर्मनी, इटली और जापान. उस समय जर्मनी पर हिटलर का शासन था जो कि नाजी पावर के नाम से उसको जाना जाता था. तो ये मेन कंट्रीज़ थे. इसमें अलाइज पावर की विजय हुई क्योंकि अलाइज पावर्स ने जापान पर 6 अगस्त 1945 और 9 अगस्त 1945 को 2 एटम बम छोड़ दिए जिससे जापान ने सरेंडर कर दिया. तो बच्चों, आपको शायद ये चैप्टर समझ में आया होगा. आप हमें कमेंट में लिख के बताइए और दिलीप ज्योग्राफी वाला को प्लीज़ शेयर और लाइक करिए और सब्सक्राइब करिए. थैंक यू. हैव अ